Let me tell you a truth that may surprise you because it is very different from what you've been taught about men. You're giving him love, affection, support. You are trying your best, but still, he seems far away, quiet, emotionally shut down. Why? Because you're giving him the wrong fuel. Men need love, yes, but there's one thing he must feel first, or your love won't connect. It won't land in his heart. If this one thing is missing, everything you do feels like noise to him. Stay with me for a few minutes. You're about to understand men in a way many women never do. There's one thing a man needs, more than affection, more than sex, more than encouragement. It is respect. Think of it like this. Love is the intention. Respect is how he understands that love. He feels love as respect. When you show love, but your words or your actions come with criticism, correcting, questioning, or emotional pressure, it's like giving him a love letter in a language he cannot read. Why does disrespect hurt a man so much? Because his sense of identity is tied to being capable, trusted, and valuable. Disrespect doesn't feel like a small insult. It feels like he is useless to the woman he loves. Let's break down how respect or the lack of respect shows up in daily life. Everything he needs fits into these three pillars. Pillar number one, respect his judgment. When he makes a decision and you quickly question it, redo it, or take over, the message is, I don't trust your judgment. You don't have to agree with everything, but sometimes respect means letting him lead without watching over him, and yes, even letting him fail without saying, I told you. Pillar number two, respect is autonomy and desire. When he says, I need space, and you follow him, pressure him, or make him feel guilty, you're saying, I don't respect how you recharge. And intimacy, if he reaches out for you and you reject him or use intimacy as a tool to get what you want, it damages his confidence and his desire. Respect means honoring both his need for space and his desire without using either against him. Pillar number three, respect is effort and provision. He works, he fixes things, he takes responsibility. If you only point out what he didn't do, the message is your effort is not enough. Respect means noticing his effort, the pressure he carries, and saying something about it. Now, let's be honest. Here's the biggest struggle many wives face with this. They say something like, why should I respect him when he hasn't earned it? He hurt me first. I understand that, truly, but here's the reality that keeps couples stuck. Many women hold back respect because they feel unloved, and many men hold back love because they feel disrespected. It becomes a cycle. She holds back because she's hurt. He pulls away because he feels rejected. She feels even more unloved. He feels even more unwanted. To break the cycle, someone has to speak the right language first. And for him, that language is respect. Respect is not a reward. Respect is a starting point. Here are three things you can start today to change the energy in your home. Number one, stop redoing. Choose one thing he does. Don't follow behind him. Don't correct him. Just say, thank you. I appreciate you doing that. Number two, ask before advising. Use this sentence today. Do you want my advice or do you want me to just listen? This shows respect for his mind. Number three, acknowledge his efforts. Tell him one specific thing he does that you respect. Not that you love, but that you respect. Example, I respect how hard you work for this family. I see it. This isn't about being passive or weak. It's about loving him in the way he actually understands, so he can finally feel love. If this helped you, hit like and share this with a friend who needs it. And tell me in the comments, what is one area where you may have been unintentionally disrespecting your husband? Let's grow together. See you in the next one.